Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? Mr. Susevich here. Let's get through what we're doing. As you see on the homework website there, you are being asked to do some flips and some classwork today, and more importantly, get those classwork answers checked. So let's walk through you a little bit. We did watch the video in class yesterday in your notes on that lesson one, day one. So let's start looking at some problems here in your entry flip. So we do want you to get your packet out. Pause the video if you need to do that here in order to get that. And let's walk you through it here. So, very first problem there, we see order of operations says 3 times 2 plus 2 times 4. My goodness, there's a little stall there. Okay, so looking at the notes, that's where we have the list of our order of operations. Number one on the list is parentheses. I don't see any. Number two on the list, exponents. Remember, those are the little numbers that are up in the air. Don't have any. So the next thing is multiplication or division. Do we have any? Yes, we do. So we're going to work from left to right. And since the 3 times showed up first, I'm going to underline it. 6 as out in the notes, bring everything down that we did not use. All right. So again, going to my order of operations, see I've got addition and I've got multiplication. Who's higher in the chart? Well, multiplication is. So we're going to take care of the multiplication. Underline that 4 and get 8. Now finish it off. Plus 8. Okay, that does give me 14. All right. We want to see this out. You are putting your knowledge on display. That's what I want to be kind of walking yourself through. All right. So the next question we're doing with question number 2. All right. Going through your order of your operations. Do you see any parentheses? Yes, you do. All right, so let's get started in your parentheses. So you're going to work inside that 8 minus 5. That is who is inside the parentheses. So we'll underline it. Your 8 minus your 5. I know it doesn't look very clear there, but you got it. That's 3. Yeah, yeah. Well, again, I'm ignoring everything else around it because I see some parentheses. On down everything else we did not use. All right. So when I look at what I see here, I see subtraction, I see addition. Go into my list, and when I notice there is subtraction and addition on the same line, it does say addition, but it does say or. Remember, the or statement is its choice, not both of them there. So it's addition or subtraction from left to right. Who showed up first? Well, the subtraction did. You need to take care of my subtraction first. 16 minus 3 is 13, and then I'll finish off 13 plus 3. Hello, 16. We're right back again. Last problem that we've got there. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. But what we talked about there is there anything to do inside those parentheses? No, there's not. There's just the 2 that's there. One lonely 2 inside the parentheses. We're not doing anything with it. So, whew, those parentheses mean, yeah, that's multiplication. All right, so going through my chart, you see parentheses, so really multiplication in disguise. Next thing on the list is exponents. There it is, the little number that's pushed up in the air. Remember, exponents is repeat multiplication. So 4 to the second power, that means 4 times 4. Not 4 times 2, but 4 times 4. So there's where my 16 is from. Exponents might be new for a lot of you. Okay, we'll get you. We'll see them. A big roll in math, so that's how we want to be spending time with them. All right, so now as I scan through my list, the addition. Remember, because that 6 is up against the parentheses, means multiplication. So multiplication is higher than 6 times 2 is 12. Bring it on down. Bring on everyone else down. That's the whole addition. If you just work left to right here, I get it. You want to do 16 plus 12 and say it's 28, and then you do 28 plus your 8 and get your 36. That's all good as well. All right, so remember, entrance slips. It's a way of practicing your notes. It's a chance for me to communicate more with you. All right, so what we do want to do is to dive into your classwork packet. All right, so your classwork packet should look something like this. Hold on, I'm gonna pause myself a second here. All right, I'm back here. Okay, so remember, your classroom packet is a blue packet. All right, you know it's classroom packet because it says classwork right on it there. All right, open that on up. We are in lesson number 1 here. All right, I only want you to work on problems 1 through 8. All right, 1 through 8. So those first guys are right there. Pause on everything else. All right, we got a day 2. We'll be investing some time in there. So just 1 through 8, I want you to work on. Now, just doing 1 through 8 is not the goal here. All right, that's part of it. But we do want you to be checking your answers either as you go, when you finish, maybe 2 at a time, whatever the case may be. So check your answers. We want to get your hands on the answer key. Yes. All right. Now this is something we will be spending time with where to find things. I'm going to kind of walk you through it right now. If you are in your Teams, all right, we can go to GMS Learn. All right. Then we're going to hold on a second here. All right, so this is what I'm debating. This is live right now. Not live because you're watching the video, but live as I'm doing it here. You know what I'm going to do? We're going to do things a little bit differently. All right, a little bit differently. What I'm going to do here is I am going to bring it on up. Let me show you. Okay, so let's walk you from the beginning. You're in Teams. All right. Like I said, I'm going to put this in different locations because I just had a moment, just thought of something that's going to get so much nicer. So for A, I'm going to fix the answer that's there. We're going to go through GMS Learn. All right. We're going to get to there. I'm going to click on the. I'm sorry. I'm going to go to math videos here. All right. Go to math videos. This is where I showed it originally. It's on the left hand side. I'm going to put it somewhere better for you. For today, we can get the math answer keys. We can sort by the teacher that is there. We are in 6th grade, and there it is right up top of the review. All right, so I can go ahead and open that on up. It's downloading. All right, let me get it on my screen here. This isn't going as expected. All right. Hey, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to email. That's what I'm going to do, guys. All right, I'm going to email it to you. Guys, I found a better spot for it. I don't think this is the best way for it. So I will email you the answer key. You're going to check them. All right. And the idea is if you got questions, office hours, or the next time I see you, we will build in time at the beginning of every single class. Always be going over any old classwork. All right, sorry about that delay in there, guys, but hey, use some office hours and talk to me if you've got